It's happening, beautiful people.
We're still Cancun on our 10-year honeymoon world trip.
And this is a paddle?
And this is a board.
Well, in here is a board.
Kieran made me carry it all the way into this castle.
She did a good job.
Our friends over at Fatstick asked us to try out their inflatable paddle board. So we said yes.
We said maybe.
We said aye in Scottish.
I actually said I wanted to see how cold the water was. The original plan was to do it in the ocean, but we've come to Loch Doon to try it instead, and apparently it's going to be pretty freezing. I don't know what we're doing. We just go back down. Yep. Oh. So, this beautiful fort, come here down here. I think this used to be in the middle of the loch, and then something happened and they rebuilt it brick by brick here on the edge of the loch. It maybe sunk or the land was flooding or something. So yeah, it's a beautiful place, and we actually came here around 4 years ago.
Yeah, something like that.
4 years ago, and my dad said we were playing like idiots.
Like children.
He said idiots.
Which we still are.
Which sounds
We
like
also
us.
are.
We also walked all the way up there. There. That place. We walked there, and yeah, it's such a beautiful area. Doon, Loch Doon, all this area. It's so beautiful to come for walks and for nature and hikes and to meet cool people. We've already met some nice people here. And I'm absolutely roasting. Fatstick sent out these as well, and they're perfect for coming out of the water, but when it's sunny and so hot like it is in Scotland, overkill.
Not for me. Be aware of risk of cold water shock. Even on a warm day, the water temperature will be extremely cold.
Don't mind that. We've got this. We've got a trusty paddleboard. Let's go!
It's all rocks.
No idea.
It's a place to get into the water.
I believe in you, love. You're so strong. You're stronger than those currents. My dad just sent us a message. Watch out for Nessie's cousin. I wonder if Nessie's cousin actually lives here. Maybe today we'll find out. This bag is like Mary Poppins' bag. I mean, look. This whole thing. Crazy. I'm joking, of course. But there is a lot in here. I mean, along with this, we have the full paddleboard. Like this. And then we've got some pumps to pump it up. Let's pump up the jam.
Pump up the jam, pump it up while your feet are thumping.
Jam, pump it up while the beat is stomping. I'm not blowing that up with my mouth. Pump up the jam.
Nice. Perfect. This is the first time, by the way, we're gonna Not paddleboard, we've done it before. The first time we actually did it together, we realized that we were paddleboarding on a surfboard.
In Croatia?
In Croatia, and that's the reason why we couldn't stay standing.
Okay, I think the bag's empty.
It's the first time we're gonna pump up this paddleboard.
Got the grease on my fingers. Got the grease on my fingers. Okay, now it's time to pump up the jam. Wow. It is inflatable. It's light. Did we fill this with helium? Crazy.
We think our paddleboard is ready. What do you think, baby?
I think so. Ooh, it's got some bounce.
He's not sure if there's enough air in it. I guess we'll find out on the water.
I didn't put enough here.
You didn't put enough air?
We're sinking. I guess we will. It's foamy though. It looks like it's going to be comfortable.
We got this thing to put around our ankle, so at least we don't float away with the undercurrent water. We have to say, we met someone in the castle and he told us don't go into the water, stay out.
Don't go in. Stay on the board, that's the better plan.
That's the aim, not to be in the water. We have a paddleboard to be on the water, but not in the water.
I believe it.
You want to sit on now?
Kieran always wants to get into the water. Oh yeah, it's cold. Oh no, lover, no.
This paddleboard better go well then, because it's going to be a chill if we don't.
Yeah, I hope you blew it up. Okay.
Oh, frosty.
We have just realized that the water is very, very freaking freezing. And we're not sure if we're going into the water because we don't want to die today. I'm being dramatic, but...
Today is a good day for my ego to die.
Tell us in the comments, guys, would you swim in a freezing cold loch with 12 degrees? I would love to
And
know.
Nessie's cousin might be in here. In fact, I think from this view of you, I can see Nessie's cousin. Yeah, we do it.
Warm up? Better.
I'm joking. Hello, is that emergency services? It's freezing in here and I don't want to go in. Disconnected. Okay. I don't know if this is meant for two people.
I don't know.
I don't know
Nice, lover, nice, lover. Oh,
Sils, I didn't put enough here.
you didn't put enough air.
We're sinking.
Really?
Try and bait you.
Oh my god. Okay, we go back. Just got into the water and it's already sinking.
Okay, it needs more water. This was a good...
More water, more air.
Yeah. Well, that was a fail.
Pump up the jam, pump it up.
Oh, much better.
Oh yeah.
Much better.
Wow. Lover, promise me if you fall in, that doesn't mean Annie's falling, yeah?
I feel like I'm singing a little bit at the back.
Bye, lover.
This is super freaking relaxing. This should be the new Uber. They should do Ubers across the lake here. I should do that. That's my new job. Sales. I'm quitting YouTube and I'm going to become the Uber, the Loch Doon Uber.
Paddle Uber.
Paddle Uber. Paddle Uber.
Lover. Baby! No shit! There's people over there.
Oh no. They're going to see your boobies.
Lover!
Okay, I'll help. I'll help. has a way of making you super calm. Like this is just zen. I think I could spend all day here. Just enjoying this. So peaceful, so peaceful. Just the sound of the birds. Grateful for today. Life is beautiful.
No, it is. The warmth was very short as we decided to go for a swim.
Have we decided? Or are we in the process of deciding?
The only reason why we go in cold water is because we know that it's really, really good for your body. Your immune system gets stronger, your blood starts flowing, and yeah, there's just so many benefits of having cold water dips.
I don't know if we need those benefits today. Oh, I was so tempted on the board, but now I'm here. I'm feeling a little bit.
Come on, you pussy!
What are you doing?
You're just sitting in the water.
Yeah.
Oh, it's cold.
Are you going in?
Well, no.
Oh.
That's what we decided.
See, that's what
Oh, it's cold. Oh. Oh.
I can do this, baby. Come on, baby. Come to me. You can do this. Do this with me. Breathe. Breathe. It's so beautiful. You feel alive.
We're doing
Hand
it.
over the head. 3, 2,
1.
Wow! Oh my god, my body's tingling. It feels good. I'm so proud of you, baby.
I'm proud of you.
Get in there, baby. Get in there. Straight in. My god, that feels insane. It feels so good.
My whole body's tingling in a really good way.
We did it, baby.
We did it.
Oh, guys, we want to say a huge thank you to these beautiful people over at Fat Stick. Wow, they sent us out this paddleboard and these beautiful warm robes to chill out in, literally.
And it's really like making our life so much more exciting.
And it inspired this whole adventure. Paddleboarding is something we've loved when we've tried it before.
Yeah.
And now that we have our own paddleboard, we are just, we're going to do this more often, whenever we can, while we're in Scotland. And cold dips.
Make sure to check out Fat Stick, guys, and we'll leave also a little discount.
A little cheeky discount in the description for you. Love it.
It's amazing. I'm actually not cold anymore. No. I know I'm shaking, but I feel good.
Love, what happened? You're bleeding.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh.
Not sure. And a blue spot.
What happened? You've been through a war?
Oh, there's really like a chunk out of it. Holy frick.
Oh my god, lover.
I just don't feel it because my feet are freezing. I don't want my feet to defrost because then it's gonna hurt. I'm hungry.
Oh!
We got chocolate!
Guys, we brought chocolate.
I got tea. Let's do it. I got chocolate and love.
A lot of love.
Dark chocolate and coffee. 55% coffee. That'll be nice. And it's vegan.
Woo!
Wow.
God, baby. You're not warm in your big jacket.
Wow. It's good chocolate.
Guys, I'm naked again. I'm gonna prove it.
Oh my god. Is that Nessie's cousin?